Look at me now. Protect. I see.
Yeah. Started just stay in your lane and I'll stay in my own.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Steph from Dope Shows.
Jamir, one half Dope Shows. All right, we're here today with Kicks USA reviewing the Special Forces Air Force One's Dusty Peach.
My initial thoughts is I usually rock the low tops, but these is fresh, even though they, high tops. I like the suede. I like the little buckles and stuff. I've seen these in black before, and I was like, they're kind of dope.
I mean, when I initially looked at them, I loved the fact that it's different materials, different designs, different buckles, different snaps. I feel like they got a lot going on, but it'll give that all black outfit a good pop.
Me personally, I think more like a denim. Pretty much drape the denim over the long stuff and it still give me the regular effect that I'm used to.
The one thing I love about this though is with it being suede, they won't crease as easy. So I'll be able to get a longer wear. I'll be able to be fresh a lot longer.
Yeah. I definitely grew up wearing Air Force Ones. I mean, where I'm from, West Philly, 52nd Street, I mean, that was like a fresh thing to wear. Like you put on a pair of Air Force Ones, you was good. All the fly guys in the neighborhood always had them. You go to school, you wanted to get fly, you put on Air Force Ones.
These gonna be fresh. When I'm running around, I still be fresh, be comfortable. As I'm running around playing these dope shows, such as the show we got planned for this Saturday, PNB Rock double shows at the Fillmore. Yeah, man, after putting these on, walking around South Street with them on, these feel great. These actually feel a little bit more comfortable than the regular low-top Air Force Ones I just took off.
I always like color pops anyway, as far as my sneaks. I always get like the highlight marker colors. So this goes right in line with that.
This Saturday, we got back-to-back shows, 4 o'clock, 8 o'clock with PNB Rock. I know these sneaks would be perfect as I'm running around. It's gonna be an exhausting day. The last thing I need is my feet hurting, and I can already tell that these sneaks are super comfortable.
So these kicks will be available this Saturday, 1/13/18, at all Kicks locations, including here at South Street. You come get fresh with Kicks. We just did.
Thank you guys for watching Dope Shows collab with Kicks.